In this video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing you've all been waiting for and taking a look inside one of Boots' own travel COVID tests. This particular test is a Fit to Fly travel test, which is a test that you take pre-departure. Some airlines and destinations will require you to have a Fit to Travel or Fit to Fly certificate, which includes your name, date of birth, passport number, proof of your negative COVID results, and the time and date of your COVID test. This particular test is a PCR test, which means that the results need to be sent off to a laboratory to be confirmed. This test cost £65 and it arrived bang on when it said it was due. So let's take a look inside. As you can see, the test comes in this fairly standard, classic brown packaging. So, in our Boots box, we have just a lot of brown paper at the moment. This is what your COVID-19 travel test from Boots looks like. And I'm very much enjoying these sort of soothing coral colours. So let's take a look inside. First things first, you have the instructions. In this kit, it comes as an A3 pamphlet as opposed to a booklet, which frankly, I'm here for. It's worth familiarising yourself with the specific instructions in front of you, as tests can differ from one another. Next is your essential checklist. This will help you register your kit and also send off your results. This is your classic swab. We've all seen about a million of these by now. In this test, you only have to swab your nostrils, and the sample then goes into this sample collection vial, which gets sent off to the laboratory to analyse whether you have a positive or negative result. The final element of the kit is everything you need to send that sample vial back to the laboratory. You've got your prepaid return address sticker and this nifty little envelope which you'll attach it to send everything off to the laboratory. For more information about COVID testing and what tests you need for what kind of travel, head to find.com. There will be a link appearing in the top right-hand corner. Click that and that will take you straight through to the right page. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to be the first to know when our next video drops. Thanks for watching.